Yo, what's up everybody? This is Rob with Fruit of Labor Landscaping, and I'm out here in the Serene Forest. Specifically, I'm out here in the nursery, and we're starting to put some orders together for this weekend to get out of here on Monday or Tuesday. And I just cannot not show you guys how cool one of these Florida native plants are that's in full bloom right now, and just kind of give you guys an idea just how tall these things can get, and then that being helpful in you deciding on where you can include this in your landscape. We really like this plant and I'm really excited to talk about it. So without any more hesitation, let's go ahead and turn this camera around. So right off the rip, you are probably thinking, hey, that's Black-Eyed Susans, and you would be close, but not correct. This is still in the same family. It's still in the Rudbeckia, but this is actually, the common name is Soft-Haired Coneflower. I'll put the botanical name or the Latin name, whichever one you like to call it, in text because I'm just really not super good at pronouncing it. But as you can tell, this thing has the same shape, color, pretty much overall same flower as a Black-Eyed Susan. I would say that they're probably a little bit bigger. In fact, I'll show you a comparison. So over here, over here on the left is a Black-Eyed Susan. And then over here on the right is a soft-haired coneflower. So they're much bigger and the petals are much longer. But not only that, they're much taller. I mean, this is in the pot, just barely, only a couple inches shorter than me, and I'm 6 feet. Versus the Black-Eyed Susans, which only get about 2 feet or so tall, at least the ecotype that I generally have in our nursery. So this is a really cool addition to an area that can handle height, but also handle sun, and will just look really good if you can have this explosion of these yellow flowers. So anything in the back of your landscape, maybe in front of a hedge, or if you have like a prairie-like area in your yard. But man, I mean, these things just explode with blooms. It's not done yet. Still have plenty more to go. And then just like Black-Eyed Susans, they will kind of peter out and then come back again next year. So if you guys are looking for a tall yellow sunflower or something similar, check out Soft-Haired Coneflower. We currently will be continuing to sell these, but they're going to be much shorter, and you might see them pruned back to be able to fit in the boxes that we'll be shipping in. But you can tell that they still hold the base foliage and will continue to come back until the end of the season. I will say that one of the things that I dislike about them is they're susceptible to mealybugs, just like Black-Eyed Susans seem to be. And so that is a common pest that you will have to watch out for. They do put enough stress on the plant that they will kill them. Most other plants I see mealybugs on never seem to actually kill the plant, but for some reason the Black-Eyed Susans and the Soft-Haired Coneflowers both suffer from mealybugs, and you will see a loss of the plant in extreme infestations. So just be careful of that. Otherwise, this is a great plant. It's super easy to take care of. We do very little watering, loves the sun, blooms best in the sun, and just really excited to share this plant with you guys. All right, have a good weekend. Happy 4th of July, and I'll see you next time.